Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to access your cPanel file manager through an FTP client called Cyberduck. What we're going to do here is type in FTP in the search bar, click on FTP accounts, scroll down to the bottom here. You're going to see this is our kind of nonsensical username. It's just generated by the cPanel website automatically. We're going to go ahead and click Configure FTP Client and download FTP configuration file. Going to open it up in Finder, and we're going to open Cyberduck, and all we're going to do here is drag it over. I think that made it into a bookmark, so we should just be able to connect to the server. And there you go. This is the second time that I've installed this one, so it didn't prompt me for the password, but take note that if this is the first time that you install it into your FTP client, you are going to be prompted for the password for your cPanel server. And that's all there is to setting up the FTP bridge. One thing to note is that when you're in here, you're going to want to go to like the public HTML, and you can see all the files for your website. So this is really a way to kind of go around having to log in. For instance, we use GoDaddy for this specific client. You don't have to log into GoDaddy and then through GoDaddy log into cPanel and use their file manager to add and remove files and update things. You can just log right into this and drag and drop your files and replace them as needed. So it's way faster. You don't have the constraints that like the visual editor on the web does, and it also logs you out after being idle for so long. So it's just kind of a nuisance. I really like to use the client here instead. It's just much more efficient all around. Thanks for watching.